Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to schedule Instagram posts. So first you just have to launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram application. Now this time you have to set your Instagram into business or business page. So to do that you just have to go to settings and privacy, scroll down, and then here what you're going to do is you have to click this account type and tools. Tap this one. So from personal, you have to switch to professional account, continue, continue, tap continue, continue. And then what describes you, you just have to choose from any of the given suggested here. For example, clothing, digital creator, click OK. And then next. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you have to tap this business right here or creator. Everything is up to you. Now click not now and tap X because you can set up anytime soon. So you're using your professional dashboard right now. Now you can tap this plus icon and then you can now start uploading or posting, or you can now schedule a post here on your Instagram. So let me pick an image here, add an image here, for example, this one, and then tap next. Now feel free to edit, add something. Everything is up to you. Then next. As you can see, if you scroll down here, and then you will see this advanced settings. So you have to look for advanced settings right here. Tap this one. And then you will see the schedule this post. So all you have to do is to toggle this one on, and then you can choose the date and time below. So once done, click this done button right here, and you will see that you have scheduled a post. And that's it. Now you can go back and then tap schedule. To see this, what you're going to do is you just have to go back to your profile and then tap this three lines at the top right corner. And then you will see here schedule content. So feel free to change something here like delete, edit, reschedule, or share now. It's easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.